Using Microsoft Whiteboard for quick group collaboration. Want a simple way to get all students involved? Let's use Microsoft Whiteboard. From your My PSJA applications page, where you can locate this at the https://myapplications.microsoft.com, you will scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will see an icon that says Whiteboard. You will click on the Whiteboard icon and it will take you to this page right here. We are going to select a new whiteboard and the templates page will open up. Now for this video, I will start with a blank canvas and I will be selecting the add text icon. I will type in my prompt. And I will make this a little bit bigger and I will adjust it to my liking. This is from here, we're going to go to the share icon at the top, the share button. We will click share. We're going to go to the copy link button, but before you hit the copy link button, go to the link settings. Keep everything as is, but where it says more settings and it says can view, select the arrow down and select can edit. Then you hit apply. Now you can copy the link and you can take this to your Google Classroom and you will create a new assignment. I named my title. Now I will select the link button and I will paste the link I just copied. Add link and assign. So now it's assigned in your Google Classroom. So you can go back to your whiteboard, you can exit out, and you can wait till a student is able to access it. So in this case, I will use my daughter who is in my Google Classroom for my trainings. I will sign in. And now you can see that she has actively signed into this whiteboard account. There she is right there. So in this case, now her turn. We can add notes. We can add reactions, add new comments, or add shapes and lines. We can also include images, templates, loop comments, videos, or links. So in this case, I'm going to choose the image. She will be selecting the image from right here from the 3 dots and using the Bing images to find her favorite food. So I will select the image and I will insert it on her end. And you would see she selected Chick-fil-A as her favorite food. I will move this around. So this is where your students will be able to add and go around the prompt. And this is our interactives.